Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm excited to share with you how to use Kikoff credit to build your credit score. If you're interested in trying out Kikoff credit, be sure to check out the link in the description below. So, what is Kikoff credit? When you sign up for a Kikoff account, you're given a line of credit worth $750. But here's the thing, you can only use this credit to purchase low-cost digital products from the Kikoff digital store. The store offers a range of self-help ebooks on topics like wellness and personal finance, starting at just $10. Once you make a purchase, you'll be given a monthly payment plan that covers 1 year's worth of payments. Now, here's what you need to know about the payment terms. You'll need to pay a monthly membership fee of $5, which is subject to change. Kikoff will send you reminders every month when payment is due, so be sure to make those timely payments. Why is this important? Because Kikoff reports your payments to the major credit bureaus, which can help you build your credit score. Plus, you'll get access to your VantageScore credit scores to track your progress. One thing to note is that Kikoff doesn't charge interest, since it earns money from its digital products. However, if you miss a payment, your credit line may be locked until you make the necessary payment. So, what are the limitations of Kikoff credit? Unfortunately, you can only use it to buy digital products from the Kikoff store, and you can't access the money through other methods like a check. I hope this helps you understand how to use Kikoff credit to build your credit score. If you have any questions or comments, please share them below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. And again, if you're interested in trying out Kikoff credit, be sure to check out the link in the description below.